This is the Verizon Innovative Learning Program at Tallahassee Community College. This summer, during our virtual camp, students learned how to use CoSpaces and Tinkercad software to craft their own 3D worlds and designs. Technological literacy is so important in today's world. The Verizon Innovative Learning Program was started to equalize the playing field for underprivileged and underserved communities. This VIL program opens up a student's mind to think, I can become a computer programmer or a data scientist or work with artificial intelligence. The sky's the limit.